Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 12th, Tuesday morning, and we've made it through the first USDA report while the grain markets were open. So we did have some volatility there, but there really isn't any reason to give us a call right now because the markets reacted. Corn was lower, and beans has rallied since the opening here a few minutes ago. The main numbers that we've got, corn ending stocks for July corn, or for old crop corn, is 851. The USDA kept it unchanged. They lowered the soybean ending stocks down to 175 from 210, so down 35 million bushels there. And the wheat number 728, that's down 40 million bushels in the ending stocks on old crop wheat. New crop, they kept the corn the same at 1881. They only lowered bean ending stocks down 3 million bushel, down to 140 on the new crop soybeans, and wheat was down to 694. That's a reduction of about 41 million bushel on the ending stocks there. Other news, the world ending stocks on soybeans was increased to, let's see here, was increased from 58.1 up to 58.54. Corn world stocks increased from 152.3 last month to 155.74 this month, and wheat ending stocks went down by about 3 million metric tons from 188 down to 185.76. The Brazilian crop of soybeans was reduced dramatically down to 55.5 from 65 last month, and Brazilian corn was actually increased. So those are kind of recap of the main numbers here. We're seeing the pressure in the corn market and a positive reaction in the soybean market here since this report was out. The question now is, how long will this effect from the report last? Because as we've seen yesterday, we've seen fund liquidation, we've seen the macro markets take charge of the situation once any fundamental data was digested in the market. The weather this morning, basically the same as yesterday's forecast, some cooler temperatures here. We really got the hot dome is only temperatures in the low 90s, and even though areas that did not get rain yesterday, looks like now that there should be some good coverage in about 7 to 8 days. So that is looked at as a bit on the negative side for corn and soybeans as well. But the macro markets is where the attention is, and will get the attention from this point forward. We've got the Greek election, which is out on Friday. They're going to try to elect a new parliament and establish a government there. That's going to be a huge focus from now until then, as they wrangle to see who's possible will be elected there. If the austerity party, the party that's in favor of austerity, I should say, will win. And that's a concern. We got China's economy and their economic data, even though looked good as we reported over the weekend, but with the lowering of interest rates has got many traders very concerned about that, the economic situation there. Fitch did downgrade the Spanish banks, which is after they had the bailout. So that is also a huge concern and is definitely weighing on this market. Funds continue to liquidate positions, as we've seen over the last several weeks here in the corn complex, and that certainly is some weight that we've got to deal with here in the near term, even though fundamentals may be supportive, especially on the weather side of the equation. In the livestock trade, we've got box beef higher. Cattle futures have firmed up here a little bit since the report. We've got hog cutout values were sharply higher yesterday. We finally have seen the cash hog index move sharply higher and get in line with the June contract as the June contract goes off the board here on Thursday, June 14th. So look for the outside markets to lead the way here, and a reason to stay in touch with Allendale's research. Don't forget, on June 26th, we've got the second Allendale Ag Leaders webinar. It'll be held at 8 p.m. You can sign up right online. Go to our homepage and sign up there. And we're starting to get quite a few sign-ups already, so make sure you get into to that webinar coming up on the 26th. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.